boy. Go on. Yeah, dogs. Go on, Ethan. This is the plasma car. We actually had to take it home from school because he had a fit and wouldn't get off of it, so the owner's mother told us to take it home. He drives it like a race car. I've never knew he had these types of skills. So now Mommy will be buying him a plasma car because we have to take it back tomorrow. I've actually ridden on it. It holds up to 200 pounds. You're just supposed to sit on it and move the little handlebars and it moves for you, but the babies do this.
Look.
Look at his feet. Can you believe it?
This is true. He knows how to do that.
Yeah, uh-oh. Did you see him come down the driveway and turned it? You missed it. That's the funniest thing. Okay. We stuck. That'll get you out. This Converse, everyone. All right. Those are my Uncle Larry's pants from 1947-ish. Perfect condition. It's like he looks for the bumps to go over them. He loves it.
See, I wore my hat well.
Oh, yeah, you did. Don't go over the bumps, Ethan. Gotta try to avoid them.
Yeah, but that's so much more fun.
I know. I'm telling you, you should have seen him in the playground going in a circle. It looked like NASCAR. Okay. Bye-bye.